In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel meetings in Calendly step by step. Whether you're rescheduling, removing a booking, or handling a client cancellation, Calendly makes it easy to manage appointments from your dashboard. First, sign into your account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, open the Scheduled Events or Calendar section where all your upcoming meetings are listed. Now find the meeting you want to cancel. Click on the specific event to open its details page. Inside the event details, you will see options such as Cancel or Cancel Meeting. Click the Cancel option. Calendly will ask you to confirm the cancellation to make sure you don't remove the meeting by mistake. Confirm the action, and the meeting will be canceled immediately. After cancellation, Calendly will automatically notify the invitee via email that their meeting has been canceled, depending on your notification settings. If needed, you can also add a cancellation message explaining the reason or offering a reschedule option. Instead of canceling, you may also choose to reschedule the meeting. This is helpful if the appointment still needs to happen, but at a different time. To reschedule, open the event and select Reschedule, then choose a new available time slot. Before finishing, check your calendar view to ensure the canceled meeting has been removed properly and your availability has been updated. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to cancel meetings in Calendly and manage your schedule more efficiently. And that's how you cancel meetings in Calendly.